Want to create smooth jump links in Elementor that take your users exactly where they want to go without any scrolling? In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can master the technique with ease. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who's building a WordPress site. So, start by opening your browser and logging in to the backend of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, go to Pages and click on All Pages. This is where you'll find a list of all the pages you've created. Pick any page you want to work on. For this walkthrough, I'm choosing the home page and hit the Edit with Elementor button. Once the Elementor editor loads, you'll see your home page made up of different sections like FAQ, Contact, Example page, How it works, and more. Now, let's say you want to help visitors quickly jump from the top of the page to the Example page section without having to scroll. That's where jump links come in handy. Click on the section you want to link to, in this case, the Example page. The left panel will switch to the Edit Container settings. Click on the Advanced tab and scroll down to the CSS ID field. Enter a unique ID, like Example page, as you can see on screen. This is the anchor point you'll be linking to. Now scroll back up to the top of your home page, where you want to place the button. Click on the button, or add a new one, and then click the pencil icon to edit it. In the left panel, under the Content tab, change the button text to something like Jump to Example page. In the link field, type # Example page, as you see on screen. That's it. This tells the button to scroll down to the section with that ID. Click the Publish button on the top right to save your changes. You can preview your page using the eye icon next to the Publish button. When you click the button, it should take you straight to the Example page section without any scrolling. Want to go a step further and link to a section on a different page? Simply open the Example page with Elementor. Select the section you want to link to, and just like before, go to the Advanced tab and type a unique CSS ID like another page, as you can see on screen. Click Publish when you're done. Now go back to your home page, edit the same button, and in the link field, instead of just Hanar's Example page, enter the full URL of the Example page followed by Hanra on another page, as you're seeing on screen. This will take visitors directly to that section on a completely different page. Once that's done, hit Publish and test the button. You'll see it now takes you to exactly the Example page. Notice the URL of it. It is exactly what we embedded into the button. So you just created jump links in Elementor successfully, both for a section of a page and for completely different page. Honestly, Elementor is what I used to build this site. It's straightforward and reliable. If you'd like to try it out, there's an affiliate link below. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.